Welcome everybody, Antonio Howl Hammer. So we're working on this basement project for the last couple months. So we got all kinds of trim detail going on down here. A lot of wood in this basement, let me tell you. We just put all LED lights in the ceiling, got a new drop ceiling in. I've been working on all this detail molding for the last week or so. We just finished up the crown moldings everywhere. We put a bathroom in back here. You may see some videos. So all this is all new back here, the hallway, the detail. Here we go. I put a Santa Flow toilet. It's an upflow toilet, check it out. Has a pump in there. It's a little blender toilet. Yeah, you can make smoothies in there. So basically it chops all your, your leftovers up and out it goes. Yeah, okay, well, we'll get away from that. So LED lightings, crown molding, fart fan for those that, had too much bad Mexican. And, everything's looking pretty good. We got our painters coming in next week. So, we just got to put on some hardware and stuff, finish up some columns. And life is good. You got to enjoy it while you can. All right, guys. Thanks again. Howl Hammer, Antonio, subscribe, and we will show you the finished product when everything is painted and completely finished. All right, have a great day.